Damn it. I fucked it up. Shit. Hi folks, it's me again. Today what we're going to do something simple. What we're going to do is we're going to make a key case so that you can set your keys in there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make a frame for it, then later on we'll add a door to it. So let's get started. This is approximately 13 inches wide by about 22 inches long. You can make this any size you want. That should hold a lot of keys. So let's get started. First, I'm going to set the fence to about 2 inches. That's about what I need, about 2 inches wide, roughly. And here we go. Put your safety glasses on. Now we're going to cut these to size. Now we're going to cut this down to 22 inches. Don't forget to like us, comment, share, and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Thank you. Now I'm going to do these here. Let's see. Number 2. 22 here. So we can do these here. Now then we're going to cut the pieces that go in between. I'll be right back. Now then we're going to make some brackets in here so that we can set our keys. I'm going to put in about possibly 3, and get started on that. Now we're going to put the pieces that go in here, so we'll put the keys in there. So what I'm going to do is these are a little bit, actually they're a hair long. So I'm going to cut these 2 down. I'll be right back. Don't go away. bit of glue, put a dab of glue on there so it'll stay in place. Make sure you get enough glue in the bottle. One nail on each side is all you're going to need. The glue will hold it in place. Okay, let the glue set for about 10 or 15 minutes. We'll put on a couple of hinges. I'll be right back. Don't go away. I picked up some surface mounted hinges. I picked them up in black because I think they look kind of cool. So we're going to put these on. Just bear with me for a minute. Now this door came out a little bit tight, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to chamfer this a little bit on the joiner. A couple of passes should do it. Now this little key cabinet is done. You can finish it anywhere you want. You can stain it, you can paint it, you can put in a little handle so you can open it easier and close it. Please comment below with any projects you'd like to see me tackle in the future videos. Thank you and have a good day.